Previous class we discussed about the area related to circle. Now we are discussing about the combination of the plane figures. Area of the combination of plane figures. In our day-to-day life also we come across a lot of things like that, table cover, window design, like that enough things will be there. Now we are going to find out the combination of the area of the combination of this plane figures. First question. Find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region's area you want to find out if PQ is equal to 24. This length is given 24 and PR. This arc is given. We can join this also. This line you want to join, that is given as 7 centimeter. You already studied that angle in a semicircle because POQ is a PQOR is the diameter of the circle. Diameter bisect the circle into two. So each part will be a semicircle. So angle P is equal to RPQ is equal to 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. So we can write angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Next we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then we can find out the length of OR and half of that will be the radius of the circle. Then OR will be the, here is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. Its opposite side is hypotenuse. That will be the longest side. Then QR square is equal to QP square plus RP square. QP square means 24 square plus 7 square, 576 plus 49, that is equal to 625. So QR is equal to root 625, that is equal to 25 centimeter. QR means diameter is 25 centimeter. So radius is equal to 25 by 2. Okay. Next we will find the area of the semicircle. Then semicircle area we will find out. Then we will find out the area of the triangle QRP. Then semicircle minus area of the triangle QRP, you will get the area of the shaded. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of semicircle minus area of triangle QRP. Semicircle, circle area you know that pi r square. So semicircle area will be 1 by 2 pi r square minus, this will be right triangle. So half into B into H will be the area of the triangle QRP. In the case of a right triangle, where the 90 degree forming, here P is the 90 degree. So RP and PQ will be the B and H. In the 90 degree where the 90 degree forming, that two side will be the B and H. So half into B into H. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into R means 25 by 2. 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 minus half into BH. B we can take 7. H you can take 24. Thus we can 2 and 24 we can cut. That will be 12. Here 2 we can cut here 11 times. Then now things we can cut. Here 25 into 25, 625. 625 into 11. 625 into 11. 6875. 6875 divided by 28 minus 84. Then here also we want to multiply with 28. Then here 84 into 28. 2352. So 6875 minus 2352. 3254. 4523 divided by 28 centimeter square will be the area of this shaded region. Next question. Find the area of the shaded region if radii of two concentric circles. Two circles are the concentric circle means center of the circle are same. With the same center we are drawing two circles with the center radii of the two concentric circles. Smaller circle radius is given 7 centimeter and the bigger circle, that is OB, is given 7 centimeter. OB, that will be the radius of the smaller circle. OB equal to 7 centimeter. OA is equal to 14 centimeter. You want to find the area of the shaded region, that is ACBD, that you want to find out. How we can find out that? What about OBD and OAC? Both will be the sector of a circle. First we can find the area of the sector OAC. Having 40 degree, theta by 360 into pi r square, we will get the area of the sector OAC. Then you want to find the area of the sector OBD. Then OAC minus OBD, you will get the area of the shaded region, that is ACBD you will get. Then area of the shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD, that is 40 by 360 into pi, because both side pi will come, then after subtracting we can do the calculation one time. So 40 by 360 into pi, that into pi r square means first will be 14 square minus again 40 by 360 into pi 7 square. So 40 by 360 if you are cutting, you will get 1 by 9. 1 by 9 pi into 14 square minus 7 square. Here also we can use a square minus b square, that is equal to a minus b into a plus b. That is 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 into 14 plus 7 means 21 into 7. This 7 and 7 we can cut. 22 into 21. 462. 462 divided by 9. Then again we can cut out by 3. Then 154 divided by 3 centimeter square will be the area of the shaded region. Next question we can look. Find the area of the here 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Next question, find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Thus APD and BPC are semicircles. You want to find out the area of the shaded part. How we can find out? First we can find out the area of the square. Then you want to subtract these two semicircles area. Then you will get the area of the shaded region. Then we can write area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles. First we can find out the area of square. Area of square is equal to, you know that side into side, so 14 into 14 you will get area of the square. Then area of the two semicircle, we can take two semicircle together, it will become a circle. So we can take, instead of two semicircle area, we can take as area of one circle also. Two semicircle together make one circle, so area of one circle also we can take. Square is 14 into 14. 196 centimeter square. Next we can find out the area of two semicircle equal to area of one circle. Area of two semicircle circles equal to area of one circle, that is equal to pi r square. That is, square side is equal to 14 centimeter. So each semicircle's area will be half of 14. That will be here full 14. So here to here will be the radius of the one semicircle. This will be the radius of the other semicircle. Then it will be, semicircle's radius will be 7 centimeter. Half of 14. 14 by 2. That is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Then 1 7 we can cut. 22 into 7. 154 centimeter square. Then area of shaded region is equal to 196 minus 154. 42 centimeter square will be the area of the shaded part. Next question, find the area of the shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as side. This is a circle and from here we are drawing an equilateral triangle also. All the part is shaded. So you want to find the total area of the shaded figure. Then one circle is there and from that one arc, through that one arc we are drawing one equilateral triangle. Then if you are finding the area of the circle and finding the area of an equilateral triangle and adding, one common part will be there for both circle and triangle, that also you want to subtract. So we can find the area. In the case of an equilateral triangle also, this if we are marking CD, OCD is coming. In the circle also that part is coming. See I am marking here D. So this part is coming common for both circle and equilateral triangle. So first we can find the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to, we already studied one formula, that is root 3 divided by 4 a square. Here a means side of the equilateral triangle. So root 3 divided by 4 into 12 into 12. So we can cut this. So 36 root 3 will be the area of the equilateral triangle. Then next we can find this common part area, that will be in the form of a sector. For an equilateral triangle, you know that all the angles will be 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 plus 60. So this angle O will be 60 degree. So 60 by 360 into pi r square, you will get area of the sector OCD. Area of sector OCD is equal to, theta means equilateral triangle angle will be 60 degree. 60 by 360 into pi into r will be this much, that will be 6. 6 into 6. The 0, 6 time we will cut this. So 6 pi will be the area of this sector. Then we actually needed this part only. Now we find out the area of the minor sector. Actually we needed the area of the major sector. The remaining part, major sector, plus this equilateral triangle, you will get area of the shaded part. Then area of this will be this part. If you are completing this will be the minor sector. Area of the circle minus minor sector, you will get area of the major sector. Area of this will be minor sector. This will be area of major sector. That will be pi r square minus area of this minor sector. That is 6 pi. That is pi into 6 into 6 minus 6 pi. That is 36 pi minus 6 pi, that is equal to 30 pi. That is 30 into 22 by 7, that is 616 divided by 7 centimeter square. Next we are writing area of shaded region is equal to, shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle, that is 36 root 3 plus 660 divided by 7 centimeter square will be the area of the shaded part. Next question, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter. This is a square. A quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. That means 4 quadrant we cut and one circle also cut. The remaining portions area you want to find out. The square is outside 4 centimeter. How we can find out? 4 quadrant of a circle means that will be one circle. Quadrant of a circle means 1 by 4 of a circle. Then 4 like that part is there, that means one circle. Again one more circle is there. Then that area also you want to find out. Then from this circle area and that 4 quadrant will become one circle. That area also you want to add. Then that answer you want to subtract from the area of the square. So area of shaded region is equal to shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant plus 4 quadrants plus area of circle with diameter 2 centimeter. Area of circle with diameter 2 centimeter. Diameter 2 centimeter. Then area of the square. Area of square is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16 centimeter square. Then area of 4 quadrants is equal to area of 4 quadrants is equal to area of one circle. Area of one circle. What is the diameter? What is the radius? Radius 1 centimeter. One circle with radius 1 centimeter. So that is equal to pi r square. That is pi into 1 into y. That will get pi centimeter square. Then area of circle with diameter 2 centimeter. That is the center circle. This is center circle diameter is given 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is equal to that also radius. Diameter 2 centimeter means radius will be 1 centimeter. That also will be pi into 1 square. That also will be pi. Then area of shaded part is equal to area of shaded part is equal to 16 minus pi plus pi. That is equal to 16 minus 2 pi. That is 16 minus 2 into 22 by 7. 16 into 7. 112. 112 minus 44 divided by 7. 12 minus 44. 68. 68 divided by 7 centimeter square will be the area of the shaded region. Okay children, thank you. We can meet on the next class.